Hello folks, it's Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas. I've got Alex here with me. How you doing?
Doing great.
Awesome,
In
awesome.
one of our previous videos, we used a cordless polisher to apply wax.
Right.
And today, Scott's going to show me, and we are going to show you how to apply or paint sealant, right? The wax even faster.
Yeah. Yeah, in that video there, you had a chance to use that cordless polisher. You liked it. You looked at me and you said, is there a way to do it faster? It's a great question because I want to show you something. And
I don't know why we didn't start with that. There's even a better way. Well, let's say an alternative way.
They all waxes and sealants, no matter how they get applied to the paint, they all have different functions. They can create different shine and gloss. There's really no right or wrong here.
Yeah.
This product here, I've talked about this before in the past. It's called Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish. When I show you how easy it is to apply versus even with using that cordless polisher, we're like, Scott, can anything speed this up? I'm going to show you how to speed it up. What I want you to do is just hold that towel flat for me. This is an aerosol.
And it's synthetic as opposed to wax, obviously organic or more natural. This is synthetic, but it does the same job. Yeah,
great question. Waxes are natural, paint sealants are synthetic, they're man-made. So this is an aerosol. It's a little bit of a different approach to applying something, but I'm going to spray it on your microfiber towel, and the minute I get this product on the towel, all I want you to do is lightly spread the product out on the door, and you can do it pretty quick.
So we never apply it straight onto the surface again, right?
Great question. No, you don't want to spray it to the paint. I'm not even sure what it would do. It'd probably be a nightmare, so we don't want to do that. We always want to put it on.
Yeah?
Not today.
Okay,
we'll experiment another day.
Right, so just trust Scott. Don't apply it onto the surface. We're going to go with his advice.
And trust Meguiar's. That's on the directions, so we'll follow the directions.
Let's do it.
I'm going to spray this so you get an idea of how much product to put on it when you go to use it in the future.
Yeah, I don't know if they can they see it?
They can see it. I think you guys can see it, right? Okay. So this is what I'm going to apply. This is my first time using it.
Wow, that's it.
That's it.
Boom.
Wipe it all over the door.
All right, so light motion. I don't know why I always want to do the circular motions.
Yeah, watch the circular motions, but you're fine. Back and forth, left and right. That was pretty easy to apply, right?
Okay, so how many coats?
You're fine. You're fine with what you did.
All right.
When you use the paint sealant with the cordless polisher, you notice there was some residue that we had to let sit for 15-20 minutes and buff it off. When you wipe this Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish, it looked like oil slick on water. And it almost basically evaporates and flashes on its own. We want to do one more step.
Okay, so I'll wipe it off anyway.
Yeah, what we want to do, this product self-levels and pretty much cures itself. It's such a great product. It's so easy to use. All I want you to do is take a second towel and just lightly rub over the surface, just in case you have any high spots, which you don't.
Yeah, very light.
Yep.
One time, boom.
That's it. You've now applied a paint sealant to the door.
So what's the advantage of using this over the wax cordless thing?
Right.
So I think like there's got to be pros and cons, right?
Right. Not all waxes and sealants are the same. The sealant that I gave you to use with that cordless polisher, it's like a liquid. You squeeze it out of the bottle. It has the ability to fill the panel, which will increase shine and gloss. Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish is what I call a true finish paint sealant. It doesn't really fill the panel, but for those who just want to get protection on the paint really quick, have a hydrophobic paint, and easier to clean in the future, one of the greatest products out there that makes everybody's life so easy.
Wow. I haven't seen you, well I have, but you know, you really compliment products like as much. I feel like you're really passionate about this.
Hey, sometimes I'm pretty rough with some companies on their products, but Meguiar's has a winner here. This is one of the greatest paint sealants out there. It's not so easy to find. It used to be in Walmart, AutoZone. It's getting difficult. Meguiar's, for whatever reason, is kind of just promoting it through Amazon and some other companies they work with. So it's a little difficult to find, but on Amazon, it's pretty easy.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, guys, here's another great tip from Scott. We'll see you next time.
I've talked about it before, but would you rather do that or use that cordless thing or even do it by hand? What's the best solution for you right now?
Whatever you recommend.
Oh, you're going to go with that, huh?
Just going to go with that,
All right. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.